The countdown to Prime Day is over, and the deals are rolling in. For all the handymen and handywomen out there, this is your moment to grab the tools you've been eyeing all year. With discounts slashed across a wide range of brands and products, it's the perfect time to enhance your tool collection without breaking the bank. So, we have listed the best Prime Day tool deals that you should shop for right now. Let's start with the DeWalt tools. We have the XR Jigsaw, a powerhouse that features a 4-position orbital action for enhanced cutting performance. With its all-metal keyless blade clamp and adjustable dust blower, you'll make precise cuts with ease. The variable speed trigger allows for versatility across different materials. At 48% off, this deal is a cut above the rest. Moving on to the DeWalt Cordless Drill Kit. This workhorse features a compact design for tight spaces and a high-performance motor delivering 300 watts. The 2-speed transmission offers versatility for a range of applications. With a 45% discount, you'll be drilling into some serious savings. Next up is the DeWalt Impact Driver Kit. Packing a punch with 1825 pounds of torque, this tool is perfect for driving large fasteners. Its compact size reduces fatigue during extended use. The LED work light illuminates dark corners. With a 41% price drop, this deal will drive you wild. The drill and impact driver combo is a dynamic duo. The drill offers 2-speed settings for versatility, while the impact driver delivers 1,400 pounds of torque. With a $100 discount, this pair is a steal of a deal. The screwdriver bit set is a must-have for any toolbox. The magnetic screw lock system ensures secure bit retention. The tough case keeps everything organized. At 50% off, you'll be screwing up if you miss this deal. The Mechanics Tool Set is a treasure trove for DIY enthusiasts. This set includes a wide range of sockets, wrenches, and accessories. With a $52 price cut, this set is a mechanic's dream come true. The XR reciprocating saw is a cut above the rest. Its 4-position blade clamp allows for flush cutting and increased versatility. With a $62 discount, this saw is slicing through high prices. Turning to the DeWalt circular saw, this tool means business. Its 7 to 1x4-inch blade delivers cutting speeds of 5,200 RPM for fast, clean cuts. The bevel capacity of 57 degrees allows for a wide range of cuts. At $67 off, this circular saw is a cut price bargain. The DeWalt DCW 210B orbital sander is smooth operator. Its variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM allows for material-specific sanding. The low-profile design provides a superior finish and less gouging. With a 51% discount, you'll be sanding down those high prices in no time. Powering through, we have the lithium-ion battery. This high-capacity battery provides extended runtime and is compatible with all DeWalt 20-volt max tools. Its fuel gauge indicates the level of charge for added convenience. With a whopping $122 discount, this deal is electrifying. The Impact Socket Set is built to last. These sockets are forged from high-quality chrome molybdenum for superior strength and durability. The laser-etched markings ensure easy size identification. At 51% off, this set is a socket full of savings. Pumping up the volume, we have the DeWalt Bluetooth speaker. This rugged speaker delivers crisp, clear sound and connects to devices up to 100 feet away. It's also compatible with 20-volt max and flex-volt batteries. With a $62 price drop, this deal is music to your ears. The reciprocating saw blades are powerful tools. These blades feature a taper back design for less binding and faster cutting. The bimetal construction ensures durability and long life. With a 32% discount, these blades are a sharp deal. Last but not least, the cutoff tool is a versatile powerhouse. Its 3-position side handle provides improved control and ergonomics. The tool-free guard adjustment allows for quick changes between applications. With an $80 price cut, this deal is too good to miss. Moving on to Milwaukee tools, the M18 Combo Kit is a contractor's dream. Featuring a hammer drill and impact driver, it tackles tough jobs with ease. With a brushless motor, expect increased efficiency and durability. Perfect for both pros and DIY enthusiasts. Don't miss out on this workhorse. Save a huge $145 during Prime Day. M12 Combo Kit Compact packs a punch. Ideal for tight spaces, this dynamic duo offers precision and power in a lightweight package. The lithium-ion batteries provide long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. Snag it now at 12% off. When it comes to driving screws and bolts, this hex impact driver means business. Its compact design allows for easy access in tight spots, while the powerful motor delivers impressive torque. With variable speed control, you're always in command. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Grab it at a jaw-dropping 32% discount this Prime Day. Cut through the competition with this M18 Fuel D-handle jigsaw. The brushless motor delivers corded performance without the cord, while the D-handle design offers superior control and comfort. With tool-free blade changes and an adjustable shoe, it's versatility incarnate. At $67 off, this circular saw is a cut price bargain. Power up your tools with this high-capacity M18 6.0 ampere battery pack. Engineered for extended runtime, it keeps your tools going strong when the job demands more. The red lithium technology ensures fade-free power and operates in extreme temperatures. Don't let your projects run out of juice. Charge up your savings with a 26% discount this Prime Day. Precision meets portability in this cordless rotary tool. Perfect for intricate work, it offers variable speed control for different applications. The slim body design provides excellent grip and ease of use. Give your detailed work a spin and save $60 this Prime Day. From Makita Tools, we have the circular saw that boasts a 6 to 1 by 2 inch blade for precise cuts. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. With a built-in dust blower and bevel capacity up to 50 degrees, this saw offers versatility for various projects. Cut through your to-do list with ease and save $108 in the process. The Makita XFD 10Z driver drill packs a punch with its brushless motor technology. This cordless wonder offers 2-speed settings and an all-metal gear construction for durability. Its compact size allows access to tight spaces without compromising on power. With a whopping 37% discount, you can drill into savings without breaking the bank. Let's have a look at some Ryobi tools. The Ryobi multi-tool tackles various tasks with ease. Equipped with variable speed control and tool-free blade changes, it's ready for cutting, sanding, and scraping jobs. A must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Don't miss out on a massive 44% discount. A deal that'll make your wallet smile. Power meets precision. The Ryobi One Plus driver boasts a compact design and 24-position clutch for optimal control. Its LED light illuminates dark workspaces, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Snag this essential tool at 23% off. The Ryobi reciprocating saw features adjustable shoe and tool-free blade changes for quick setup. Its powerful motor and variable speed trigger provide precise cuts in wood, metal, and plastic. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for tight spaces and overhead work. With a 21% discount, you can slash your budget while boosting your toolkit. The Ryobi P611 planer offers adjustable depth control and a reversible blade for extended life. Its ergonomic design and dust bag ensure comfortable, clean operation. Perfect for door trimming, wood shaping, and leveling tasks. Shave 10% off the price. Kick off your DIY projects with the Black Plus Decker cordless kits on this year's Prime Day. Thigh Cordless Drill Kit features a compact design for tight spaces and 11 clutch positions for precise control. With a built-in LED light and a lightweight body, it's perfect for both novices and pros. Don't miss out on this 14% discount. Tame your unruly lawn with the 20-volt string trimmer. Featuring an automatic feed spool and a 12-inch cutting swath, this cordless wonder makes yard work a breeze. Its adjustable handle ensures comfort during extended use. With a 14% markdown, you can trim your budget as efficiently as your grass. Blast away debris with the electric leaf blower. This corded dynamo delivers up to 180 miles per hour airspeed, which makes quick work of leaves and litter. Its lightweight design and built-in cord retainer enhance maneuverability. Snag this leaf-taming titan at a whopping 34% off, a deal that'll blow you away. Stay pumped with the versatile inflator. This portable powerhouse handles tires, sports equipment, and inflatables with ease. Its digital gauge ensures precise pressure control, while the auto shut-off feature prevents overinflation. Don't let this 16% discount deflate. Shape up your hedges with the hedge trimmer. Sporting a 22-inch dual-action blade and a 3.5 ampere motor, this corded trimmer slices through branches up to 3 by 4 inch thick. Its wraparound handle provides a secure grip for precise cuts. With a 22% discount, you can hedge your bets on big savings. The screwdriver features a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery for long-lasting power. Its pivoting handle allows access to tight spaces, while the LED work light illuminates dark corners. Don't let this 39% discount slip away. It's time to turn your toolkit up a notch. We have some of the coolest Craftsman tools too for you. The impact driver delivers high torque for tough jobs. Its compact design allows access to tight spaces, while the LED light illuminates dark work areas. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during extended use. Don't miss out on this $30 discount. Nail your projects with precision using the Brad Nailer. This cordless wonder eliminates the need for compressors and hoses. Featuring tool-free depth adjustment and a tool-free jam release, it ensures smooth operation. With a promising $120 off, this deal is too good to miss. VersaStack Tool Set. Equip yourself like a pro with the Mechanics toolset. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of sockets, wrenches, and accessories. The VersaStack system allows for easy organization and transport. With a solid $60 discount, this set is a toolbox essential that won't break the bank. Power through your DIY projects with the cordless drill kit. Boasting a powerful motor and 2-speed gearbox, it tackles various drilling and driving tasks. The LED work light ensures visibility in dimly lit areas. Includes a lithium-ion battery for extended runtime. At 38% off, this kit is a real bargain. Cut, grind, and polish with ease using the Craftsman Angle Grinder. Its powerful motor tackles tough materials effortlessly. The tool-free guard adjustment allows for quick changes between applications. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. With a 26% discount, this grinder is a cut above the rest. Now it's time to take a look at other brands and some of the tools on this year's Prime Day. The powerful gas leaf blower features a 50.2 cc X-Torque engine, which delivers high airspeed and volume. The low vibration technology reduces operator fatigue, perfect for clearing large areas of leaves and debris efficiently. Don't let autumn catch you off guard. Save $100 on this leaf-taming beast. The Bosch 7-tool combo kit is equipped with essential tools for various projects, all powered by Bosch's reliable 18-volt battery system. The sturdy carrying case keeps everything organized. Tackle your DIY projects head-on, now $200 off for this versatile kit. The Laser Distance Measure. Boasting a range of up to 100 meters, features a backlit display and intuitive interface. It offers various measurement modes, including area, volume, and indirect measurements. The durable design withstands job site conditions. Precision doesn't have to break the bank. Enjoy 21% off. The drilling and driving set is a 91-piece set that includes an array of drill bits, driver bits, and accessories suitable for wood, metal, and masonry. The durable case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Drill down your project list with this set now at a whopping 54% discount. 11-in-1 screwdriver is multi-tool screwdriver that features interchangeable bits stored in the handle, including various Phillips, slotted, square, and nut driver sizes. Its compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces. A handyman's dream in one tool, now 40% off to tighten up your toolkit. The Shop Vac is a robust wet or dry vacuum, boasts a 5-gallon capacity and 4.5 peak HP motor. It comes with various attachments for versatile cleaning. The stainless steel tank ensures durability, while its compact size allows for easy storage. Clean up your workspace and your budget. Save $40 now. The framing hammer features a forged steel head and fiberglass handle to deliver power and durability. The magnetic nail starter allows for one-handed nailing, while the textured grip ensures a secure hold. At 22 ounces, it's well balanced for framing tasks. Nail your projects with precision and hammer home a 41% saving. From Porter Cable, we have the 6-tool combo kit that includes a drill or driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, impact driver, oscillating tool, and LED light. All tools are powered by 20-volt max batteries, ensuring consistent performance. From minor repairs to major renovations, this kit has you covered. Build your tool arsenal for $160 less. The 3x8-inch cordless electric ratchet delivers 40 pounds of torque, perfect for automotive work. This kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and 7 commonly used sockets. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. Tighten up your efficiency and loosen your wallet by 42% less. And lastly, the cordless electric scissor is a compact and versatile tool that serves as both a drill and screwdriver. Its right-angle attachment allows access to tight spaces, while the flexible shaft reaches around corners. The LED light improves visibility in dark areas. Flexibility meets affordability. Twist 21% off your purchase. That's it for the best Prime Day tool deals. Don't wait. These offers won't last long. Upgrade your tools, save money, and get ready to tackle any task. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.